Today, I'm going to show you how to create this 3D effect step by step. Let's get started. First, drag your clip onto the timeline. Then, add the Player 3 effect. Next, change the texture value to 0 to remove the black rectangle. Then, adjust the glow until you're happy with it. At the start of the effect, you'll notice a fade animation. We don't want that. Go to the point where the fade ends, cut the clip, and duplicate it. Adjust the Player 3 effect. Now, let's add some 3D movement. First, add a Details keyframe. Set the rotation to around 85 degrees. Then, move about 2 seconds forward in the clip and rotate it around 75 degrees. Finally, add a cubic ease for a smoother transition. Then, create a compound clip and zoom in to remove the black edges. Then cut and delete the fade from the first few seconds. Add a video keyframe about 2 seconds into the video. Move forward about 2 seconds and add a second keyframe. Zoom in for a cool effect. Then, add a cubic ease animation for a smooth result. And voila! Here's the final result.